TechnoIllustrator. Getting to know Windows Live Photo Gallery. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Windows Live Photo Gallery. Click on Start. All Programs. Windows Live Photo Gallery. Or click on the shortcut on your desktop. Step 2. Create a new folder. On your upper left corner, click on the New Folder button to create a new folder. Rename your folder to Favorite Toys. Just in case you forgot to rename the folder, just select the folder. Right-click. Choose Rename. And type the name that you want to assign. Step 3. Import photos. A compilation of pictures should be provided to you through USB or on your desktop. To import photos, simply click on Import. Removable disk. Import. Review, organize and group items to import. Next. Click on Enter a name and type in Favorite Toys. Pictures will be saved in the Favorite Toys folder. Check the box that corresponds to your favorite toy. Click on Import. Step 4. View your photos. To view your photos, simply double-click on the image. Click Previous or Next buttons to browse through your favorite toy's pictures. Buttons are located on your screen's upper left corner.